Hey guys, what's good? This is How to EDC, showing you real knives for real men. None of this, none of this pussy ass shit that you see on these other channels. Only, only the good stuff. That's what you guys get here. Just the best of the best. Today we're taking a look at this knife from um, G plus W. Pretty cool freaking knife. Got some really dope features that you don't see like other places. So let's go ahead and it's a kind of big knife. I like that. Obviously the bigger the better. You got a lot of stabbing power right here. Um, like the speed holes in the blade. You can see how quick this opens up. It's assisted opening, of course. Only right way to do it. Um, like sometimes this little lock gets stuck, but like that's good. Like that's like quality, you know. Like it means the knife's not gonna like um, like close up on you when you're in the middle of a fight. Um, you've got the things right here, and you've got the tab. Pretty dope. Scales are plastic. I like that. Nice and big. Get a real good grip on this. If I was gonna have to throw down with someone, yeah, I can do some damage. I can do some damage with this. It's like, yeah, look at that. hmm That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Um, Belt clip. I like that. Works on your belt pretty good, just the way you want it to, right? Um, it says 440C steel on here. I don't really care about that. Like only pussies care about like what it's made out of. Like metal's metal. Like it's gonna if I poke this at you, it's gonna hurt. Like I don't care what it's made out of. Um, that's like they're G plus W is trying to appeal to like the soy boy knife collector like type of people. Um, I don't know. Like I don't care. I really don't care. I didn't need that on here. Also wish that it had serrations. That's like one thing that's really missing is serrations, but like I don't know, I guess I can live without those, I guess. We got like some rope here in the handle, which is pretty dope. I think honestly, if you needed to, you like take this off and use it as a garrote. If you had to, it's pretty dope. Um, you got like things in the handle here. This is a one of those little like fire things. So like if you need to like detonate a charge or something, I don't know, you can like do it with that. That's pretty dope. I like that. And it's also like it also has a whistle right here. I never use that. Like if I'm in a fight, like I'm gonna rely on the knife itself. I'm not gonna try and call for help or anything. Uh yeah. It's a pretty dope ass knife. There's a lot of things I think are pretty cool. If you look at this, like see that screw sticking out there? Sometimes when I go to open the blade, it'll like it'll get stuck on that screw. I think that's a pretty like I think that's like a safety feature or something. That's pretty cool. That's pretty dope. Like $10 on Amazon, you can get these. That's pretty cool. This is a real man's knife, right? This is a real man's knife. This is like a special operator. Like this is some badass shit. I like it. I like it a lot, and you'll probably like it too. I bet. I don't know what that sound is. clinking around. Oh, like the scales kind of move back and forth. That's kind of cool, I guess. It's pretty sweet. But yeah, there we go. Another knife review down, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tactical, brothers.